Friends, firstly I would like to extend my salutes to the brave comrades who have been on hunger strike in this sweltering heat. This unity that has been built against an authoritarian administration has led to a lot of inspiration across the country. And today we have a regime outside which has been seeking to suppress protests through the most undemocratic methods. And whenever such attacks have come, the JNU students have stood united. We have seen in the past, during the emergency, the kind of resistance that was built. There are some comrades from that time who are here today who have come in solidarity. I can see Comrade Sunit here. Many others who were part of the struggles during the emergency are here. They all look forward to this movement. The students coming out on the streets across the country against the institutional murder of Rohit Vemula, against the kind of attacks on democracy in JNU, with a lot of hope. Friends, we all know that today this government, which has totally failed, it's almost going into the second year, completing 2 years, is trying to divert attention from their failure by raking up different non-issues. Today, the Prime Minister, when more than 60 crore people of our country are reeling under drought, more than 50% of India is under drought, he is busy making wax statues of himself and taking selfies with his own statues. That is the situation. Friends, I am confident because I have been part of the student movement here. I know the resilience that the student movement and JNUSU has. Sitting on a hunger strike for such a long time, it's a very tough, it's not an easy job. I have had an experience here many times. One of those struggles went on for 11 days. It's on the 12th day that I withdrew from the hunger strike. And the administration, even then, it had an extremely authoritarian character. In 1 year, when I was the student union president, there were 16 show cause notices issued to me. I did not answer a single show cause. And it is to the credit of the student movement here that the administration did not have the guts to take any action against any of them in the student union at that time. Even here, yes, it is a regime, the regime outside is surely pushing them to take such actions, and there are people, pliable people within the administration too. But I think those sitting here have also got a clear message from the movement that we are not just going to fritter away. The issue-based unity that has been built against this kind of an attack is going to continue, and I am sure these little Hitlers in the academia here are not going to succeed in their effort, and the people united, the student movement that is united, will emerge victorious. I don't want to prolong further. I thank you for giving me an opportunity to come and express my solidarity. Thank you.